Hey guys, this is Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. I just wanted to show you guys really quick how we're putting in a faucet. So this is the sink faucet we're putting in. It's a really nice faucet. So what we had to do, because this is a wood countertop, I had to make sure that the hole wasn't obviously as big as normal. So that's 1.5 inch drill bit that I had to make for the spout to fit in. Now what's going to happen is we're going to see, let's see, you'll see here that once I fit the lines in, it slides in. You make sure that O-ring is there. So that O-ring, that's your sealer from the faucet to the wood. Okay. Now this thing goes sideways, which is part of how the faucet goes. And I'll have to go underneath and secure it. Okay, so now you can see the hole from underneath. I'm gonna have to put a flange on here, and then once that flange goes on, there's a nut that actually will go on, and that's right here. So this will go on first, along with this, and then this will go on. This will be tightened, a screw goes in through there, and then this goes through here. Now it's really hard to get back there, but if you buy a tool like this, you can do drains, you can do sinks and things of that nature. So now what I'm doing is I'm flipping it to this side because this piece fits in here perfectly, and I'll be able to go in there and the rod can go through. Okay, so I've secured it from underneath using the tool I told you. So now this is nice and sturdy. This moves back and forth. But now I have to connect this underneath, and that's what this weight is for. Connect the weight here. Once you connect that weight, it keeps it from sticking, so when you pull it out, it goes right back in. So that counterweight's important. You have to make sure you have that. Okay, so this little piece right here that I just secured on the other side of that goes in here, and then it goes right into this area right here, and it connects right to that piece right there. And it's basically just pushes on. Push it on. You gotta push, you gotta pull back like a connection. So there's a connection for sure. So you pull back and get that connection in so that it locks. It's a little hard with me with the phone, but it's right there. Pull back, push in, there we go. Now it's in. Okay.